All right, welcome back to Merlin's Hot Corner 41. Got a couple products today that I figure I got in the just picked up in the mail here. Anyways, I figure we'd give them a rip, see what's in them. We have Panini football from 2016, I believe. Where is he here on this? Yeah, 2016. Which I believe that's Goff and Elliott's rookie class. So there's 88 cards in here, 11 packs of 8 cards, and it looks like one auto or mem card per box on average. So hopefully we get that. And then I got a box of 2014 Topps Turkey Red. I don't really know much about this, just sounded cool. 11 rookie cards, so I'm not sure if there's only 11 cards in the box, but it says one autograph rookie in every box. So that's 2014. So we'll start with this one, see what's in there. Try to kill some time. We're waiting for the tournament to get started here, and we got a break going tonight too, so I forgot my trash can. You guys having any luck with retail out there? It's getting tough. Been able to find baseball, but football, I went to a few different Myers, and they all said they didn't even get football this week or last week, I don't think. Sorry about that. All right. Pack number 1. So we got Chris Long, Kirk Cousins, Danny Woodhead, Bobby Wagner, Jordy Nelson. Nice. Oh shoot, we didn't already get. Oh, we got a mem card. Vincent Jackson, Kid Reporter, Trevor Davis. Oh, it is a rookie. Okay. Let's save that guy. Another light here. Looks like we got a mem, not the auto. There we go. I got Darren McFadden, Golden Tate, Justin Forsett, Alex Smith, Tyler Lockett, Doug Baldwin, and oh, nice. So it's David Johnson, green, 178 of 199, and a Noah Spence rookie. Cool. Keep our numbered and rookies off the side there. All right. Mohamed Sanu, Melvin Gordon, Tom Brady, Jamal Charles, Andre Johnson. Missed that guy being in the league. Le'Veon Bell. And Drew Brees, decorated. 2011 Offensive Player of the Year. And rookie Alex Collins. Josh Norman, Emmanuel Sanders, DeMarcus Ware, folks. There we go. Harrison Smith, Peyton Manning, Eric Berry, and oh, that's nice. Michael Thomas, Night School rookie. Cool. Kenny Clark, nice. All right. James Winston, Buck Allen, Marshawn Lynch, Clinton Dix, Antonio Brown, Gerald McCoy. Oh, cool. Accolades, Gale Sayers. 36 points on December 12th, 1965. He's a great running back. And Kendall Fuller, rookie. All right. Have Vic Beasley, Joe Hayden, Cecil Shorts III, Mario Williams, former #1 pick, Deshaun Jackson. He just signed with somebody. The Rams, I think. Oh yeah, it is the Rams. He's gonna be with Stafford. Matt Jones. And nice. Oh, that's cool. Ron Gronkowski. Doesn't say. What is this? Just like a foil of some sort. And Josh Jackson, rookie. That's a cool Gronk. Wasn't numbered or anything, though. Alright. Kamar Aiken. Matt Ryan. Jeremy Langford. Colin Kaepernick. T.Y. Hilton. Zach Ertz. And Legends of the Shield, Larry Zonka. Cool. Joey Bosa, rookie. Nice. All right. Ted Ginn Jr., Kelvin Benjamin, Danny Amendola, Clay Matthews, and Quentin Bolden, great receiver. Allen Robinson, I think he just got franchised. Got some freaking guns on him. I like him a lot. And we have Brandon Cooks. Oh, wow. Super shiny. I don't know if that one's just because he's Saints colors or something. That's a cool one. And Wendell Smallwood, rookie. All right. Josh McCown, Malcolm Floyd, Jadeveon Clowney, Jenderick West, Khalil Mack, Derek Carr, and Jason Witten. Sounds a lot like the Gronk there. Nice foil. And Jaron Reed, rookie. We haven't hit any of the big rookies yet. Julian Edelman, Des Bryant, Phillip Rivers, Mike Evans, Doug Martin. Was he the muscle hamster or something? Michael Floyd, and Keith Marshall of the Redskins. Combine champions, 4.31 40-yard dash, running back. Huh, I don't remember him. And Glenn Gronkowski. I think he's the fullback. All right. All right, DeAndre Hopkins. Chris Ivory. Matt Forte. Navarro Bowman. Heath Miller. Alan Hearns. And rookie Noah Spence. Oop. And Corey Coleman, rookie. All right. And our mem card. So we have Vincent Jackson, who I believe is the one that just passed away recently. Not that old either. I don't know. I forget if they found out why. For the Jets, Christian Hackenberg. I think he's a Penn State quarterback, if I remember right. Oh, it doesn't say. I'm pretty sure he was Penn State from Big Ten. We're a Big Ten country up here. That's a cool card. I mean, if you're a Jets fan, I guess it'd be cool. I don't even know if he's in the league anymore, though. Alright. That wasn't too bad. I like how some of these you get the same print run, and you get a bunch of doubles, and that was actually a pretty decent box there. This top tricky red here. I'm not real sure about this one. We have Bridgewater. So this must be the rookie class here. Bortles, Manziel, Beckham Jr., Evans, Bortles, Watkins. It says 11 rookie cards. I don't know if it's always the same ones or what. Nope. I can see a different one here in the back. Alright. So we have Trey Millard for the 49ers. Eric Ebron for the Lions. Jake Matthews, Falcons. Bishop Sankey for the Titans. Devonta Freeman for the Falcons. Hey, Brandon Cooks for the Saints. And there's our auto, sticker auto. Ma Dixon. I think you're only guaranteed one autograph. James White for the Patriots. Not bad. Brandon Coleman. There's some fuzz up here. Oh, it's not cut all the way. Brandon Coleman for the Saints. Arthur Lynch for the Dolphins. And Cody Latimer for the Broncos. Oh, I don't know. This one was okay, I guess. James White's cool. I'm not sure who Ma Dixon is. But I guess the Brandon Cook's cool. Freeman would have been cool, but yeah, that was alright. It's different. Alright, well thanks guys, and got a couple more boxes coming in. Do a rip on some 2018 products, and yeah. So thanks for checking in. Hit like and subscribe. Spread the word, and yeah. Thanks for watching, and come back for another video here. All right, guys, have a good day.